Namimiss ko yung dati mong ngiti at kislap ng iyong mga mata. Yung dati mong liksi na naghahatid sa akin ng walang humpay na saya. Tanong ko nga sa Diyos, sa dami-dami ng masama, bakit ikaw pa? Isang mabuting tao, mahusay na ina, at maalagang asawa. Sa banig ng karamdaman, ilang taon kang nakaratay. Araw-araw na sa pagsigaw ng sakit ang gumigising ng iyong malay. Napakahirap makita kang nahihirapan at mayat-mayay nawawalan ng malay. Niwala akong magawa bilang katuwang, asawa sa isang mabuting may bahay. Kaya kung pagod ka na, hindi na kita pipilitin lumaban pa. Sapat na ang ilang taong paghihirap, pinapalaya na kita. Babaunin namin ng mga anak mo ang lahat ng magagandang alaala. Salamat sa lahat. Mahal na mahal kita. Ako si Ronald. Pakakawalan ng taong pinakamamahal ko. Ito ang huling sayaw, kasama ang mundo ko. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na parang buong buo yung mundo mo, ang saya-saya, parang finally everything is at its proper place in your life. You have a beautiful home, you have an okay career, hindi siya yung peak ng career mo, but everything's going well. Meron kang mabuting pamilya waiting for you whenever you come home. You have a wife na napakaalaga, napakalambing, napakamaasikaso, and you have beautiful children that makes you feel like the luckiest man in the world. Imagine having that kind of life. And then one day, ibaliktad ng mundo yung buhay mo. Tanggalin yung kaisa-isang taong naging pundasyon kung bakit matatag, bakit maganda yung buhay mo. I can never imagine that amount of pain sa isang tao. Trying to hold everything together while your life before your eyes is falling apart. Hindi ko ma-imagine how much pain and how much strength does it take for a man to get out from something like that. And I'm sure, Ronald, kung nasan man yung asawa mo ngayon, hindi ka man niya naririnig, hindi ka man niya mayakap, hindi ka man niya masamahan, sa mga gabing hinahanap mo siya. She did everything to fight for you. To fight for the life that you both love. To fight for her children. She fought until there's nothing left in her to fight. And sa mga kabisyo natin na ganito yung laban ng buhay. Seeing the love of your life, grasping, just because they want to fight for you. At the end of the day, I hope you'll find the strength to accept. Just like what Ronald did. When enough is enough. It's not gonna be easy. It's not gonna be a walk in the park. Hindi siya yung something na kaya mong pag-isipan overnight and by the morning meron ka ng decision. But at times like this, like Ronald, we cannot be selfish. You know within yourself that you want them to stay. You want them to fight. You want them to go on. Pero at some point, you must also be selfless and think what's best for them. Kasi when you love someone, you have to love them deeply enough to know when to set them free.